Hey, what's up for Reef Finance holder? So Reef Finance holder, this video is going to be very special and very urgent for all the refinance holder, because my brother, this coin is completely fails down. As you can see, my friend, the last change occurred last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour. So my friend, just in only in last 1 hour, this coin is starting moving upward now. Otherwise, as you can see, my brother, through 7 days, last 24 hours, all change occurring will be negative now. So it's clearly show, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to they will move upward now, because my brother, in last 1 hour they starting moving upward. So remember this, my friend, because after prediction you understand better now. So my brother, let's predicate this coin, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for latest news and update. Obviously channel will guide you every time, so you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see here, this time the refinance is fails down all week, my brother, all week. In the previous all week, my friend, this coin is fails down. So holders are doing very big mistake, and absolutely if you do this mistake, so you are completely in the loss. Remember, you are completely in the loss. So ABC channel, one of the unique channel today, will give you a great my friend advices and absolutely guidance. So you need to follow ABC channel, and absolutely ABC channel will guarantee you, will give you warranty to you never lost if you, my brother, follow ABC channel. So hope you understand something new now, and please like this video and subscribe this channel. My friend, the prediction is simply, my friend, I forget this. So it's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to them move upward now, because after fails every cryptocurrencies will starting moving upward now, like this, exactly, especially like this. After this fails they will take a short jump. So it's make sure, my brothers, to after this fail they will starting moving upward now. So kindly holders, try to understand, don't sell it. If you sell it in this time, so they fails down more and more and they cannot give you a profit. So you need to hold it. If you starting holding, so they will moving upward now, and if you starting buying, so they will moving very fastly upward now. So remember, this is not a financial video, this is just I advise you, my brother. Hope you understand something new now. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.